so anyway, he was teaching me about how the mind works, the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, which is very, very important. You don't realize how important it is. He taught me about self-talk, and I had this horrible negative self-talk going on with myself, where every time I would make a trading mistake, I'd start berating myself like, you idiot, what kind of a trader are you? You call yourself a trader. How can you even mentor people? You should just quit and, become a garbage man or something. And I had a terrible self-talk issue, which is horrendous in terms of your ability to trade successfully if you self-talk negatively. And he taught me, awful lot of things. And I remember, some days I didn't even want to get on the call. I was so bummed out about my trading or upset about something or other. And I remember telling my wife during that period, I don't know what this guy does, but every single time I get off the phone with him, no matter how bad I feel when I get on, I feel great by the end.